You can now start earning money from Shorts feeds ads by turning on Shorts monetization. If you go into YouTube Studio, you'll see this notice from YouTube. It says, action required, accept new terms to stay in the YouTube Partner Program and start earning Shorts ads revenue. Click review and accept. If you don't see it there, you can click on the earn link on the left-hand column. After you've accepted the new terms, you'll see watch page ads, Shorts feeds ads under channel monetization.
Later, I'll show you how Shorts ad revenue works.
Under ways to earn, I've already activated watch page ads. If I click on view, it says you're earning from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page. If I click on get started on the Shorts feeds ads, it says earn from ads and YouTube Premium in the Shorts feed. You can earn revenue from ads that run between videos in the Shorts feed. You can also earn revenue when a YouTube Premium subscriber watches your content in the Shorts feed. Click turn on. Now you just have to review the Shorts feed terms. Click on the box that says I accept the Shorts feed terms. Click accept. It says Shorts feed ads revenue sharing starts in February 2023. Starting February 1st, 2023, all your Shorts views will automatically be considered for Shorts ad revenue sharing. You'll also earn revenue when a YouTube Premium subscriber watches your content.
According to YouTube, if you accept the Shorts monetization module after February 1st, 2023, Shorts ad revenue sharing will apply to your channel's eligible Shorts views starting on the date you accept. Shorts views accrued prior to accepting the Shorts monetization module are not eligible for Shorts ad revenue sharing.
Keep in mind you need to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program to enable Shorts monetization, which means you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million Shorts views in the past 90 days.
Here's how to turn on monetization for a Shorts video after you've uploaded it. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio to select the Shorts video that you wish to monetize. Under Monetization, click the drop-down that says Off, select On, click Next. Rate your video carefully by going through this list, then click None of the Above to submit your rating. Then click Submit. Now you'll see that monetization has been activated for that particular Shorts video. So how does Shorts ad revenue sharing work? As you can see from this diagram, you get shareable ad revenue, creator pool revenue, creator allocation revenue, and creator payment. Let's look at a hypothetical example to understand better how it works. Let's say you upload a short that uses one music track. Here's how YouTube calculates what your short earns in country A this month. There are 100 million total Shorts views in country A, and all views on that shorts are uploaded by monetizing creators. $100,000 is earned from ads that play between the shorts and the Shorts feed. Later, you'll learn where to see the revenue you've made from YouTube Shorts ads. 20% of these shorts use one music track, so the creator pool is $90,000, and $10,000 is used to cover the costs of music licensing. Your YouTube short is viewed 1 million times, so you are allocated 1% of the creator pool, or $900. Your allocation from the creator pool is not affected by your use of a music track. The 45% revenue share is then applied to your allocation, and you earn $405 for your Shorts views in country A. Where will you be able to see your Shorts ad revenue? Sign into YouTube Studio, click on Analytics, then click on Revenue. If using the YouTube Studio app on your phone, open up the YouTube Studio app, tap Analytics at the bottom of the screen, then tap Revenue at the top of the screen. Do you want to take your YouTube Shorts to the next level so you can get more views, subscribers, and grow your channel fast? Click the link in the description to get my new YouTube Shorts video course. You'll be able to get the complete guide for mastering YouTube Shorts in 2023 and beyond. Click the link below to master YouTube Shorts now. You'll be glad you did.